Hi. So in this video, it's just a super sped up video of how I made these press-on nails for a wholesale order. And it's not a tutorial or anything. It's just a video making beautiful nails, and all the products that I use are listed in the description box. And if you have any questions, please comment down below and just sit back and enjoy this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, so we're all done making the nails and now it's time to box up the nails. This option comes with your nails in boxes labeled with your logo. I didn't show the logo because that's not your business. But here I am just boxing up the nails, and this option is called the Boss option. Like I said, it comes with logo boxes and also application kits. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out the link in the description box. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And here is the final result of all that hard work. I wish it took 10 minutes, but in reality, it took about a couple of days to finish all these nails. But the final result is always amazing. Being able to send off these nails to someone who's ready to start their press on business or just expand on their business is just so fulfilling to just get to this point. And this option does come with application kits with glue and everything they need to put their nails on right out of the box. Again, if you're interested, go ahead and check the link out in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.